to use a Phillips head screwdriver, and there are 2 Phillips head screws that hold this in, one on one side and one on the other side. Okay, one over here. Pull this out. All right, pull this out. And then on the back side, there are 3 bulbs. Pull out the sockets. You gotta twist it and pull out at the same time. This one's already popped off. I have new bulbs that I'm gonna replace these with, so I'm gonna pull these out. Now take your new assembly, slide the bulbs in, twist them clockwise to lock them in. Once you've done this to all 3, slide the 3rd brake light assembly in like this, then take the 2 screws, put these in. Snug it up on both sides, of course. All right, and there you have it.